Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change zebra level on a Fujifilm camera. To do this, we'll need to click on Menu, then find the movie settings and move to the fourth page. Inside you should find the zebra level, and here you'll be able to adjust it using this slider. Also, keep in mind that there's a zebra settings and to zebra level, so that make sure that we take the effect of it. We'll need to go for zebra settings, and here turn it from the right or left. When it's off, then you won't see any effect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.